Today in the grain market, soybeans did fall. Those crush margins are at a 7-year low at this time. Also, rain in the forecast is adding some pressure to the futures. Now, fundamentally, that June acreage report wouldn't have as big an impact as it's expected to have really next week. So that's something that we're going to be watching for going forward. Old crop demand has also slowed, so that's putting some pressure on the front month July. Today, July did drop 40 cents before it was able to rebound, where the November dropped just 38 cents. But that's a pretty big fall. The market did come back a little bit, and we've got the CVOL at 35.5%. That is a whopping number for volatility. Now today corn was mixed. That rain makes grain, and of course that's what's really maybe holding the market kind of maybe still in a consolidative level, but there is some pressure on the market. But there is still dryness in the Pacific Northwest. And even though July was lower today, down by 14 cents, the DEES did firm up. And at one point was down 21 cents and then firmed back up and ended up a couple cents. So that just tells you that there is some buoyancy in the market here. I think we were trying to maybe test some support levels, and I guess today isn't going to be the day. Now, corn CVOL is still up over 50%. It's at 53.1%. These are just astronomical numbers, but they're going to continue that way as long as volatility continues to, move day to day in a way that normally would have just been a limit move. Now, today wheat was lower. The forecast ahead is still kind of wet here, and I think that for the spring wheat for sure, July did fall 20 cents and then came back 50 cents, 50% of where it fell from just 2 days ago. So the market is kind of like holding a little bit. The September is also behaving the same way. Now 640 is a big support number. If the market can hold that, perhaps that's going to give us a little bit more support. If it breaks through that, it's going to be hard to tell, because right now globally the wheat is doing well all the way around. So that's really making it difficult for wheat to kind of get off the ground right now. But the CVOL on that is up to 40.5%. Another like whopping number, just telling you like how much volatility is really out there. So next Wednesday, June 30th, is going to be the acreage report. It's also the end of the month and the end of the quarter. So there's a lot at stake really for the next week in trading.